Hi everyone. In last video, we have started with anti-leprotic drugs. In that, we have seen what is leprosy, causative agent, how do it spread, their symptoms, treatment, definition, classification, and we have covered almost two classes, that is sulfons and phenazine derivatives. So today we will start or cover remaining class of anti-leprotic drug, that is other antibiotics, and in that we'll cover almost four drugs. So let's start with the mechanism of action of ofloxacin. Ofloxacin inhibits bacterial topoisomerase 4 and DNA gyrase enzymes, which is required for DNA replication, transcription, repair, and recombination. This is mechanism of action of ofloxacin. Then contraindication of ofloxacin. Ofloxacin is contraindicated in the diarrhea, diabetic patient, low blood sugar, dehydration, low amount of potassium in the blood, myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis means weakness and fatigue of the muscles. Then skeletal muscle disorder, abnormal heart rhythm, severe liver diseases. Then patient with kidney transplant, inflammation of tendon. Tendon means fibrous connective tissue that connects muscle to the bone. Then rupture of tendon, seizures, severe kidney impairment, patient with lung transplant. Then Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome means disorder that affect connective tissue. Then Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, that means disorder that affect skin, joints, and blood vessels. Then Loeys Dietz syndrome, it is also a disorder that affect connective tissue in which weakening of aorta takes place. Aorta is the main artery in the body and it happens only in children. Then adverse effect of ofloxacin. Adverse effect of ofloxacin includes nausea, headache, sleep problems, dizziness, vaginal itching or discharge of vaginal content, then diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, chest pain, external genital itching in women, fatigue, gas problem, then gastrointestinal distress, nervousness, sore throat, fever, and rashes on the skin or itching on the skin. This is all adverse effect of ofloxacin. Then uses of ofloxacin. Ofloxacin is used in various bacterial infections and it is from quinolone antibiotics. So it is used to stop the growth of bacteria and it is also used in the treatment of leprosy. The next drug, moxifloxacin. Mechanism of action of moxifloxacin is it inhibits topoisomerase 4 and DNA gyrase enzymes required for the bacterial DNA, thus inhibits cell replication. Then contraindications of moxifloxacin. The drug is contraindicated in the pregnancy, nursing mother, tendon disorder, epilepsy, and seizure disorder. Then adverse effect of moxifloxacin. Adverse effect includes nausea, diarrhea, headache, vomiting, dizziness, nervousness, agitation. Agitation means a state of anxiety or nervous excitement. Then nightmare is also adverse effect of moxifloxacin. Nightmares means bad dreams or unpleasant dreams. In Marathi we may call it white swapna. Then uses of moxifloxacin. It is used in bacterial infection, mainly in leprosy, in the treatment of leprosy. It comes from quinolone antibiotics, which stops the growth of bacteria, and it is used only in bacterial infection, not in viral infection. Then next drug, minocycline. Mechanism of action of minocycline is as like as tetracycline, because it comes in the class of tetracycline. Minocycline inhibits protein synthesis of bacteria by binding to the 30S ribosomal subunit of bacteria. Then contraindication of minocycline. The drug is contraindicated in diarrhea, pseudotumor cerebri. Pseudotumor cerebri means it is a condition of pressure which is increases inside the skull. That condition is called as pseudotumor cerebri, and in that minocycline is contraindicated. Then high fluid pressure in brain, liver problems, decreased kidney function, then abnormally high levels of nitrogen containing compound in our blood, pregnancy, then problems with food passing through the esophagus. In all this condition, minocycline is contraindicated. Then adverse effect of minocycline, it includes numbness, tingling, burning pain, hair loss, discoloration of skin and nails, dizziness, spinning sensation means vertigo, muscles and joint pain, nausea, diarrhea, loss of appetite, swollen tongue, cough, trouble swallowing means throat pain, then rash, itching and headache. All these are adverse effect of minocycline. Then uses of minocycline. It is an antibiotic which is used for the killing of bacteria, and it is also used in different bacterial infections such as urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infections, skin infections, severe acne, tick fever, etc. Tick fever means टिक हे किड्याचं नाव असून, म्हणजे किड्याच्या जातीचं नाव असून ते चावल्याच्या नंतर येणाऱ्या तापेला टिक फिवर असं म्हणतात. ओके. देन द लास्ट ड्रग क्लॅरिथ्रोमायसिन. mechanism of action of clarithromycin is it inhibits protein synthesis and prevent multiplication of bacteria by binding to the 50 subunit of bacterial ribosome. Then contraindications. Contraindication includes the patient having hypersensitivity with clarithromycin. Then the patient is already administering the other drugs, that is pymoside, cisapride, ergotamine and dihydroergotamine. Then history of jaundice, hepatic dysfunction. In that patient, clarithromycin is contraindicated. Then the patient who is already administering the drug colchicine and patient with kidney or liver impairment, in that patient clarithromycin is contraindicated. Then adverse effect of clarithromycin, it includes gastrointestinal effects or disorder, then abnormal taste of mouth, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, rashes, indigestion, heartburn and headache are the adverse effect of clarithromycin. Then at last, uses of clarithromycin. Clarithromycin is a macrolide antibiotic that is used to kill the bacteria, and it is used in different type of bacterial infection which affecting skin and respiratory system. Clarithromycin is used in the combination therapy to treat stomach ulcer caused by Helicobacter pylori. Okay, I hope you understood all the point we have discussed today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.